Good morning.
Hey there, crew. Welcome to Mission Control. I'm Mr. C, and today we're steering rockets and answering a big question. What is an astronaut? An astronaut is a person trained to travel into outer space. They ride aboard powerful rockets, live on spacecraft, and wear special suits like this tiny one to keep them safe. And guess what? We have a friend out there right now.
Hey, Earthlings. Ziggy here above the planet Earth. Wow, this is your home planet, Earth. Your planet has lots of water. That's why it looks blue. Earth is full of life, people, animals, and plants. Your planet spins to make day and night. And you even have a moon. Earth is your home. Take care of it. Let's go into warp speed. Buckle up. Whoosh! Whoa, there it is. The sun. The sun is a giant hot star. It gives your planet light and heat. But remember, never, ever look directly at the sun. It can hurt your eyes. All the planets in your solar system move around the sun. That's what keeps everything in place. Wow, your sun is amazing. Now, the closest planet to the sun is Mercury. Let's move in close. Whoosh. Whoa, this is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is very, very hot during the day and very, very cold at night. Mercury is small and it has lots of rocky craters. And guess what? A year on Mercury is only 88 days. Wow, Mercury is fast.
This is Mr. C here from Space Command. That is Mercury's sunrise!
Okay, sit back. It's time to head to Venus. Welcome to Venus, everybody. See that brown circular ridge down there? That is a pancake mountain, but you don't want to take a bite out of that. Here on Venus, it can get 900 degrees. That's super hot. Check out that sky. It looks like an orange swirl ice cream. Let's take one last look before we make our way to the planet Mars. See ya, Venus. Thanks for the sizzling spark. Hang tight. Here comes Mars. We made it to Mars! Whoa, this is Mars! Mars is called the red planet because it looks red from space. It's covered in dust, rocks, and lots of craters. Mars has the biggest volcano in the whole solar system. It's called Olympus Mons. Mars also has huge canyons, even bigger than the Grand Canyon on Earth. Sometimes Mars has giant dust storms that can cover the whole planet. And guess what? Scientists send robots called rovers to explore Mars. Maybe one day, people will visit Mars too. Let's take this out-of-this-world shortcut that only I know about to zoom past the asteroid belt and head to Jupiter. Whoa! Did you see that? No way! Watch out, everyone! Duck! Wow, that is beautiful! Hold on tight!
The move! Nice draw. Okay, shuffle and we're coming up on Jupiter. Whoa, there it is. And that swirling eye down there? That's the Great Red Spot. Computer says it's 16,350 kilometers across. That's bigger than Earth. One storm, just hanging out. Look at those clouds rolling like an egg. Look at all those lights out there. The computer's counting 101 moons. 101! It's like Jupiter's got its own trading card set circling around it. There's Io and Europa, and that big one, Gannet Jupiter, we're shuffling out. Next card in the deck, Saturn. Engines engaged, and jump! Whoa, look at those rings. It's like someone spilled stardust in a perfect circle, and there are little moons. Whoa.
Those rings are made of ice and rock, spinning all around the planet. Saturn is a giant gas planet. Just like Jupiter. It's so big, you could fit many Earths inside it. All right, now let's head to that all-blue planet, Uranus.
Whoa, it's like someone dipped a marble in glacier light.
We made it to Uranus! Whoa, Uranus looks bright blue. That blue color comes from a gas called methane. Uranus is super cold, one of the coldest planets in your solar system. And guess what? Uranus spins on its side. That makes it very different from the other planets. Wow, Uranus is one cool planet. Now Neptune is our last stop. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It looks deep blue, and it's very, very cold. Neptune is famous for having the fastest winds in the solar system. Neptune is a giant gas planet with no solid ground to stand on. It also has moons, and one of them is called Triton. Neptune is very far away, so it takes a long time to travel here. Wow, Neptune is amazing! All right, it's time to head back. We need to take a shortcut. To the shortcut, back to Earth. Hold on tight.
Systems check complete. Hull integrity 99.9. Life support good. And snack inventory.
It's time to hit the stars.
to punch it. Whoa, look at those stars stretch. Atmosphere ahead, heat shields up. Woo, home sweet home. Space Command, this is Ziggy. Warp complete, re-entry successful, and ha, what a blast.
Copy that, Ziggy. Welcome back. Sounds like the mission was a success.
Best trip ever, Commander. I grabbed souvenir.
Fun learning about space, astronauts, and the whole solar system today? I sure did, and I hope you did too, because every question we ask takes us on another adventure. From all of us here at MisterCTV Space Command Control Center, I'm signing off. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Good morning.
Days and the sky so bright. Pack my dreams, I'm ready for a flight. Count it down, engines glow. 3, 2, 1, now here we go. We're on a trip out of this world. Stars and planets as we twirl. Hold on tight, we're on our way. Traveling through every day. Monday landed on the moon. Floating low, we'll be back soon. Bounce around in gravity light. What a funny, silly sight. Tuesday's red, it's Mars we see. Dusty hills and mystery. Rovers are rolling tracks in sand, waving to a robot friend. We're on a ship out of this world, spinning, shining as we swirl. Every stop, a brand new day, learning as we fly away. Wednesday's big, it's Jupiter. Storms that swirling colors blur. Spots so giant, spitting fast. Zooming by, we cannot last. Thursday rings around so wide. Saturn is spinning side to side. Ice and rock, those circling round. Prettiest planet we have found. Friday's deep, ocean blue. Neptune waves coming to view. Windy whirling far away. End of almost every day. Saturday, we're heading home through the stars we used to roam. Back to Earth we land with cheer. Best adventure of the year. We took a trip out of this world. Every day a flag unfurled. Sunday to Saturday, now we say, let's go again another day.
Let's be friends, let's be kind. Helping hands and words that shine. We take turns and share our toys. Friends are great for girls and boys. Let's be kind, let's be shy. Helping hands and words that shine. We take turns and share our toys. Friends are great for girls and boys.
MisterCTV. Rubia.
Whoa, you're still here? The story's all wrapped up. Nothing left to see. Go on, head home, get some rest, maybe have a snack. Seriously, it's over. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye now. Whoa.